Live pa rin po tayo para sa ating 4th Governor Ann K. Hofers Open Invitational Basketball Tournament dito po sa Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay to celebrate their silver anniversary sa araw ng Zamboanga, Sibugay. And live po tayo sa Cultural Sports Center sa Capitol Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Nino Abanid alongside Coach Kim Reyes to cover this game. And 70-55, balik sa 15. Ito kalamangan ng DLSU.
Oo, hindi makalapit dito ang Zamboanga Valientes dahil yan, ito sa mga ganyan mga turnover.
Yan yung minumulto sila ng turnover na yan no, Coach? And ito nga, Zamboanga Valientes na turnovers are piling up for them.
Oo, yun yung nakakasakit sa kanila. Kaya hindi sila makalapit din. And after ng mga turnover, namamaximize pa nga ng De La Salle University yung mga turnover nila.
At ngayon naman, pakinggan muna natin itong report para sa atin galing kay Sir Turchman.
But we're not playing dirty. Tulungan ng communication ang pinaka-importante in tonight's game. Also from the team owner of Zamboanga Valientes, Councilor Junie Navarro, his advice to the players, let's play with our pride and we are already pro and we just need to talk and play defense. Focus lang para mauwi natin ng panalo ngayong gabi. Kim Nino.
Thank you so much. Dahil nga, kahit ang report nitong si Sarah, nakapasok ng 3-point shot. Itong si Mike Tolomia, bawi naman for DLSU side. Tingnan natin ulit sa ating replay dito. Itong drive ni Jacob Cortez. Kita niya, wala ng secondary defender for Zamboanga Valientes.
Actually, nakita niya si Diouf doon. Kaya siya nag-off foot na take off di ba? Para mas mabilis siya makaangat.
Cortez.
Bawi yung 3-pointer ni Mike Tolome doon sa 3-point play din ng Cool Cub.
73-58. Bulanadi. Finally, a 3-point shot ngayong 4th quarter para po sa Zamboanga Valientes. 12 na lang, Coach.
Kita mo yung tira na yun no? Kumpiyansang-kumpiyansa.
That is a foul on Malik Diouf. And he recognized that foul, Coach, no? Nakangitis yung Malik Diouf doon. Tignan natin. Itong pasa ni Rudy Lingana ay masyadong advanced and yung pushing the head nitong si Jacob Cortez.
Pero nag-sorry siya after. Nag-sorry naman siya. Hindi lang sadya.
Big mo against Malik Diouf doon sa ilalim.
Yeah.
Cortez. Melencio fires, gets the 3-point shot. (76-61). Another 3-point shot. Itong binawi. Itong Mike Tolomia at Zamboanga Valientes. Tatlong tres na pala for Zamboanga Valientes for this 4th quarter. Big Mo will sit down. Papasok ulit si Luis Pablo for DLSU. Cortez will inbound. Boris Marasigan. Grabe yung end ng 3rd quarter na nakita ng Boris Marasigan tsaka Earl Abadam as Pablo misses that jumper.
Brothers in arms yun no? Kita mo talaga si Marasigan doon ready to back up
Linganay goes to Tolomia. Malik Diouf, 5 seconds. Bulanadi, binit-bit pa sa air Malik Diop gets the shooter's bounce.
Last time na nakita kong ganun na move yung ginawa ni Bulanadi was James Yap pa yun eh.
Oo,
Yung
no? Yung bumitin pa.
Niyoyoyo ng isang kamay bola.
Cortez. LeBron James, Daep. Miss shot. 10-point lead itong hinahabol ng Z-Vals. Vic Manuel goes inside with a drive. Strong move for Muscleman.
Baba ngayon sa single digit ang kalamangan ng De La Salle University. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nila ngayon.
Pablo. Cortez sa labas. Shot clock nasa 5. They need to fire. Marasigan. Melencio. Short for the 3-point shot. Gets his own miss. Balik kay Cortez. Reset sila dito. Shot clock at 4. Melencio. Extra feed. Marasigan. Miss shot. Put back dito kay Luis Pablo.
Napunta ba naman si Rudy Linganay kay Luis Pablo? Wala na siyang magagawa doon.
Bulanadi. Right after the 3 straight 3-point shot nito Zamboanga Valientes back-to-back miss na nga para sa kanila. Pablo spins.
Gandang
4 straight
move
points.
naman nun. Ang gandang move nun galing dito kay Luis Pablo, no? And ganun-ganun lang, balik na naman sa double digit lead ang Lasal.
You know, a seesaw for both squad, you know, but doesn't favor for Sival sa Zamboanga Valientes, you know. Tolomia fakes, steps back. That's good for 3. After the back-to-back miss, ito nga, Mike Tolomia. At saka yung attempts nila, coach, lahat galing sa 3.
Actually,
Diba? In the
this
3
quarter, no?
straight possession for for Zamboanga Valientes. Cortez against Vic Manuel. Wide open. They swing.
Wow.
Who to shoot? Cortez. Ako na lang, sabi niya. But the rebound goes to Jacob. Cortez goes inside. Melencio with a skip pass.
Grabing ball movement para sa De La Salle University. Ang ganda ng mga shot na nakukuha nila. Tingnan mo naman tong no-look pass neto ni Jacob Cortez going to Melencio. At hindi niya naman yun pinahiya ang kanyang point guard.
Timeout tayo dito, Coach Kim. It's 82-71. 4:27 time remaining sa ating fourth quarter sa ating aksyon. Zamboanga Valientes down by 11 points here. Vic Manuel, akala niya pinalitan siya. Di pumasok no? 4 minutes and 25. Linganay. Diskarte dito itong mga veterano ng Zamboanga Valientes. Tolomia goes inside. That's a foul on DLSU. 6 minutes gone by, coach. Almost 6 minutes gone by. First team foul pala ng DLSU.
Oo. Yun yung isa rin yun, di ba, na bago sa atin yun, no? Hindi pa penalty na maagang De La Salle University. Pero nga pala, ito, si John Paul Mendy pumasok na pala for Malik Diouf. Ito palang si John Paul Mendy. He played for University of Batangas before turning semi-pro with United Prep Canada. Tapos naglaro na pala siya sa Asia Basket and he averaged 19 points per game.
Wow.
At meron din siyang 9 rebounds per game. That's almost a double-double average.
When you read that numbers for John Paul Mendy, alam mo kung gaano ka-dominante yung 19 points and 9 rebounds. No? But surprisingly, dito sa ating tournament sa Zamboanga Sibugay, di pa natin nakikita yung mga puntos na yun for Mendy. And right now, for this ball game, 4 points pa lang for John Paul Mendy. De Moses. Mike Tolomia. Balik sa labas muna. Tolomia drives inside off the glass for Mike Tolomia.
Mike Tulomia, grabe, no? Parang binubuhat niya talaga sa kanyang mga balikat itong kupanan ng Zamboanga Valientes.
He leads the score in the first half and right now sa fourth quarter kung saan time is not on their side. Itong si Mike Tulomia kumakamada at sabi mo nga, nagbubuhat na para sa Zamboanga Valientes. We have a timeout. It is 82-74. Back to our ball game. 82-74, 8-point lead for DLSU. 3 minutes and change time remaining. Kines, Marasigan, Earl Abadam, di pa natin nakikita bumalik dito, coach, no?
Oo, no? After yung buzzer beater niya, 3-pointer, di ba?
Well, Milencio is doing well also for DLSU eh.
Ito na nga.
Ito na. Narinig tayo ni coach.
Oo. So, partner pala, para lang dyan sa information ng mga manonood natin. Malaking impact kasi mangyayari if
Ngayon.
LaSalle wins this game eh. Parang it would complicate things, the standings baga. Magugulo.
Oo, magugulo.
Yes, it would make it interesting actually.
Wow! John Paul Mendy with the steal in front of Mason Amos, coach, cutting the lead down to 6. 14 seconds. Amos misses. Rebound Pablo.
Grabe,
comes-
Luis Pablo, no? Going really high up for that rebound.
Missed shot by Milencio. 2:44. Tolomia, we'll see kung ano yung kanyang gagawin. Tolomia goes inside, gets the end one. Be like Mike moment for Mike Tolomia. Look at that spin.
Tatlong
Double
defender
team,
yan, no?
iniwan lang eh, no? Mike Tolomia. Iba ka, Mike Tolomia. Kita mo
Grabe
yung
ka na, Mike
bilis.
Tolomia.
Kita mo yung bilis eh, no?
Oo. Tatlong defender yun.
Iniwan eh. Pati yung cameraman, muti ka nang maiwan sa frame eh, no? Tolomia misses that jumper na shot na yan.
Mendy.
Grabe naman for Zamboanga Valientes. Timely yung kanila mga shots dito, Coach
Basket
Kim.
nila, oh, and the crowd is loving this game na binibigay ng Zamboanga Valientes.
I know, Valientes getting the rhythm back again here in this ball game. Mendy against Cortez. Jacob gets the foul. And Mendy admits it. Hinahanap talaga nila yung mismatch eh, Coach, no?
Oo. Ang bilis din na recognize ni Jacob Cortez ng mismatch na napunta sa kanya, di ba? Kaya pinalis niya agad. Sabi niya, ako na dito. Take over na ako.
Hinatak talaga sa labas eh, no? Jacob Cortez, the squad needs to score here. It is a run now for Zamboanga Valientes.
Kailangan nila ng fire extinguisher muna.
Oo, kailangan lang pamatay sunog. And also, to break the silence, kasi nga sabi natin, when Valientes created that run, itong body language ng LaSalle biglang nag-iba talaga.
Yes. Kaso na-split doon ni Jacob Cortez yung free throw, ha?
And John Paul Mendy, na pag-usapan natin kanina, narinig tayo, pinakitaan
Oo,
tayo.
pinakitaan.
Last 2 minutes na tayo, Coach. Linganay, DeMoses for 3. Short for DeMoses. DeMoses again. Tolomia in front of Earl Abadam. Shot clock at 5. Fake. Tolomia misses. Rebound Jacob Cortez, and that's a foul on Vic Manuel.
Duty foul. Pero, penalty na doon ang Zamboanga Valientes. Parang hindi alam ni Vic Manuel. Parang duty foul lang sana. Kaso, penalty na pala sila.
He just want to stop Jacob
Oo.
for transition eh, no?
Kasi open court na yun eh. Siya yung last defender niya eh.
Much needed free throw for Jacob Cortez. First one is good for Jacob. Second one for Cortez. 1 out of 2 for Jacob.
Malayo pa yan, partner. That's still 1 minute and 35 seconds. Tapos 4 lang yung lamang. Saktong-sakto pa yan.
Manuel.
Loses the
And
ball.
that's the muscle man. Cortez no look pass. EJ Goliana. Or the catch right there. Vic Manuel naman on the other side. And Zamboanga Valientes calls for a timeout. 84-80. We'll be right back sa ating fourth quarter. But before we take a break, tignan natin itong pasa ni Cortez to Goliana. And Cortez naman, ito si Goliana naman. Hindi binigo doon si Jacob Cortez and gets the basket. I'll be right back. 6-point lead for DLSU. 1 and 16 time remaining. EJ Goliana, Jacob Cortez. Na two previous score nitong DLSU. Silang dalawa yung naging involved doon. And by the way, coach, sabi nga natin na mention mo, if DLSU wins, magkakagulo-gulo itong ating team standings.
Oo, yes. Pero, hindi gulo na pangit maggugulo ng interesting. It would make things interesting.
And itong DLSU, if they got this win, they're 1 and 2 kasi sila pa lang din yung unang team na nagkaroon ng 3 games dito.
Oo. Kasi nga, straight yung games nila. Ang 3 days, lagi sila may schedule.
So, EJ Goliana will sit down. Voris Marasigan, yung babalik dito for DLSU.
That's just the third team foul para dito sa De La Salle University.
Tolomia. That is a hard drive for Mike Tolomia. Two free throws coming for Mike Tolomia. Much needed free throws para sa kanila.
Talagang minamama dito ni Mike Tolomia. Lahat ng defender niya di ba? Mapa small or big man, minamama na niya. It's really clawing his way inside the paint.
Mike Tolomia with another free throw. So right after the review, Coach Kim, the foul is not on Mason Amos, that's on Luis Pablo.
Oo, na kinlarify lang nila. Tinignan lang nila kung sino.
Second free throw for Mike Tolomia. 54.1 seconds, by the way. 2 out of 2. Substitution, Vic Manuel. Uupo muna. Nick DeMoses yung babalik sa Zamboanga Valientes.
Gusto ng Zamboanga dito. A faster lineup
50 seconds. Cortez against Rudy Linganay. DLSU up by 4 points. Burning some seconds here. Ito si Jacob Cortez. Steps back, fires for 3. Big shot for Jacob Cortez.
What a shot! Grabe yung tira na yun. Dagger na yung tira niya na yun. Babawin ni Mike Tolomia.
Wow!
Bawi naman din yan.
Sa harap din ng Lasal itong bawi ni Mike Tolomia. And Elaine Bulanadi, dumiretso nga sa atin dito. And we have some foul. Tignan natin ulit itong replay. Itong si Jacobs Cortez 3-point shot back to back. Ito naman si Mike Tolomia bumawi din sa harap nitong si Jacob Cortez.
Oo, bawing-bawi din agad yun eh, no?
So we have some problem here with the time. Short
free
one for
throw.
Abadam.
Oo.
Chine-check pa nila yung oras, yung score dito. Bakit wala mo silang official score table dyan? I mean, official tally, di ba? Meron yan dyan, di ba? Updated yan, di ba? Zamboanga Valientes right on our screen. You know, the veterans here. Yung kanilang composure dito. So,
Tama.
89-85 is our score. So, may free throw pang natitira dito for Earl Abadam, ha? May isa pa.
Oo, pero he missed
The first one. Oo.
Yes.
So, the score here. What's the final? So, it is 89-85.
Oo, tama naman yung score natin.
Oo. So, Earl Abadam with his second free throw.
Pasok.
1 out of 2 for Earl. 90-85. Bulanadi fires. Too strong for Elaine. And no more shot clock here. Abadam. Back to Amos. Cortez. Was in and out. Air ball for Cortez, and that was denied. Linganay steps back for 2. Rattles out, and that's it.